Kong Hee Fa Choi. This is the prosperity tree located here in the Cebu Chinese Heritage Museum, which just opened in 2019, but it seldom it seldom opens, only on Thursdays to Sundays. And this is the replica of a Chinese junk vessel which carries goods from silverware to slaves during the uh, 15th century. Here we can see some of the junk model and recreated Chinese goods in a port. And at Ayutthaya, they claim that much research needs to be done about this. However, we take a page from Antonio Pigafetta, Ferdinand Magellan's companion who wrote about a junk from Siam to carry gold and slaves, about Humabon eating from porcelain bowls and silk wrap on his head. Here, there's are some of the junk foods. This is contained here in the museum, at the Chinese Museum. Ooh, there are apples. Ooh, a persimmon. They're not apples, they are persimmon. And these are the tomatoes. Are they real? Of course not. Plastic. Plastic na. These are cabbage. Good morning. These are some of the luggages here. Later maybe. These are the souvenir items. Here, lucky stickers. These postcards. What's this? Ref magnets. How much are the ref magnets? 35 each. Oh, ang cute naman. Ito yon. What is this? Chinese junk. So, maski junk, ikuan pa yun. How much is the bag? 180. Merc price list. Oh, how about these bracelets? 100. Okay, nice na. I'll purchase black and gold. These are the t-shirts. How about the t-shirts? Mm, 150. Wow. Thank you so much.